myself Perry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to review few mascara lipstick as well as lip liner. So I will be reviewing about the quality, product, price and everything in this video in detail. So let's get okay. So I have here few lip liners. There are total 7 lip liners and 2 lipsticks which are 2 in 1. So I will be reviewing first this lip liner and then we will move towards the lipsticks. So for the lip liners, first shade is warm red and it is in number L38. So these are called as glimmer sticks for lips, and I will be swatching it obviously and showing it to you. So this is how it is. So it is highly pigmented, and in just one swatch I got this shade, and it is like perfect red shade, and this retailed for only 65 rupees. And yeah, it is very affordable and you can use it at lipstick also. So okay, so now I have another shade is perfect red and its number is L54. I got 2 shades in red. So first which I showed was warm red and this is perfect red. So I will swatch it out, and this second one is how it looks like. It is like dark red, perfect red what you call, and the earlier one was very light in comparison. So this is very pigmented, like in one swatch I got such a red shade, you can see. So it is good for the price, it's very good. So for the next shade we have here Mahogany L52, and this is the packaging, like the body of the stick is like this. So I will swatch it, and this is how it looks like. So it is like in wine shade, or you can also call it in burgundy shade, I guess. It is yeah, it is in wine shade, proper, not proper but in a dyed tones. So you can also apply it on lips. It's very easy to apply them on your lips. It's not necessary just for lip liners, you can use them, and also as kajals you can use them. So today I used warm red as my kajal. Use this warm red shade as my kajal and I'm applying it, and I'm wearing this shade on my waterline. So yeah, they are like three even, I guess. You can use it as lipsticks, lip liner or kajal as well. And if you have pink shade or red shade, you can also apply it. For the pink shade you can also apply it as a blush also. You can also apply red shade for the blush. Just you need to make 2 hearts on your cheeks and then blend it out properly. So yeah, next shade I have is Burgundy L04, and this is the body. This is perfect burgundy shade what I was talking, and this is perfect violet purple shade. This is how it looks like. This is also dark pigmented, like if you're not wearing any makeup, you just need to apply this lipstick on your lips and you're gonna fire. Especially on a simple plain dress, if you wear this shade, it will like very give you a amazing look, I guess. So moving to the next lipstick, lip liner is deep pink shade and number is L32. This is light pink shade. So this is the, so I also got 2 shades in pink. So this one is lighter one, which is known as deep pink, and its number is 32, L32. And this is perfect light pink shade. So it is like very bright pink color, and when you apply it on lips, it looks so beautiful. Like I can't explain. So I just love this shade, and so I just love this shade, and it is very amazing and it's look bright, especially when you wear it on white dresses. So it just pops up your lips, and I love this. So moving toward the next lip liner which I have is Rich Pink, and it's a number in L44, and this is how it looks like. I will swatch it. So this is dark pink. So it is also a very great color, and you can apply it for the blush also, as I told you. Also you can apply it for liners also. I forgot to tell you that you can also apply it on your liners, like if you want colorful eyeliners and if you don't want to invest in them. So what you just need to do is buy this lip liners. They are just amazing and you can work it. They works as a lip liner, lipstick, blush, kajal, liner, so they are all in one. And the last but not the least, which I love the most and I have worn today as a lip liner, and I have applied a nude shade lipstick on this. So this is the shade Mocha and its number is L12, and this is the brown shade, and I just love this shade. Where? So in just one swatch I got such amazing pigmented. So few of them are like very pigmented, like in one swatch you get a perfect shade and you don't need to reapply it again and again. Like they are feel in front of the cost lip liners, I guess, but in the rate it is very affordable and amazing products, which I would obviously recommend you guys to buy. So there is a sale on Nykaa every time on this lip liners, and you get it for at least minimum 45 rupees also sometimes. So you can buy it in the period of sale. Only the one thing which I didn't like is you don't get a sharpener with it. Like I bought 7, I didn't get a sharpener for this. So it's okay, you can use other sharpener which you have, but expect bhi kya kar sakte ho itne rate mein, cheap rate mein. But I love them a lot, like they are just best. Instead of buying high rates lip liner, if you get such pigmentation in this, I would recommend this, especially for the beginners. You should go for this instead of any other lip liners you want to invest in. So this was for lip liners. Now moving towards the lipstick. I have two lipsticks here. One is in the shade peach and one is in the pink shade. So these are 2-in-1 lipsticks and I bought it for 175 rupees I guess on Nykaa with this lip liners. And on this lipstick also they have few discounts sometimes, so you can get it for 155 I guess, and they are for 2-in-1 lipsticks. So this one is side of the lip color and it is matte, and other is for a gloss, same here. So I love gloss, it is very chipchipa, per matte one is amazing. You can apply it means on your dry lips or if you just want glossy lips, but with this I didn't like it, but the shade of the lipstick is very great, I will show you. So okay, so they are called as Miss Claire Color Stay Full Time Lip Color, and this is in number 10. They don't have any names, but it is in number 10. So I will swatch it out. This is like wow. It is very pigmented. In just one swatch you can see like the color, and it stays on your lips for at least 7 to 8 hours I guess, but for the rate again they are very. So what I will do now is I'm going to also use this gloss and show you guys that how it looks when I apply gloss on it. So I will be applying this gloss. You can see the upper lips and the lower lips. This is so glossy and this is full matte finish. So yeah. This has amazing smell. The gloss is like in strawberry flavor I guess. It smells amazing, but when I apply it, it's like very chipchipa and you can't eat anything when you apply this. Yeah, other than that, it looks quite prettier and I love the smell a lot of this gloss. So now we'll swatch. So the next shade is peach and its number is 16. So yeah. And the packaging is 5 into 2 ml of this. So the shade is in 16 number. So I will swatch it out this as well. What would I do? So this is the shade. So both of them are like amazing. I love them. And if you want, I will swatch out the gloss also. It's transparent, but it's glossy. I will swatch it on a lip liner. switch. Okay, so this is transparent, just gloss, and this is on pink lip liner. I have swatched the gloss. So yeah, this was about today's review, like about Miss Claire lip liners as well as lipstick. I will highly recommend to go and buy this lip liners as well as lipstick. They are amazing in this range, and you have many shades. There are variety of shade in both lip liners as well as for the lipsticks, and they are very quite affordable. You can buy it. I just love them a lot. So you can buy it from Nykaa or Purple as well, or from any other website, but I will recommend to buy it. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.